Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do the 7th chapter from your English novel book, and the name of the lesson is The Treasure Island. Children, first I'll tell you the story in short and then we'll read the story. Treasure Island is one of the most famous adventure stories written by Robert Louis Stevenson. This story is narrated by a young boy named Jim Hawkins. One day, an old sailor comes to stay at the Benbow Inn owned by Jim Hawkins' parents. When the sailor dies, Jim searches his belongings and finds a map revealing the location of an island with treasure buried on it. Jim's friend, Mr. Trelawney, buys a ship to search for the treasure. During the voyage, Jim discovers that there are many pirates among the crew, led by Long John Silver. When the ship reaches the island, a battle begins between the pirates and Mr. Trelawney's men. Jim befriends an old pirate who lives on the island and has already found the treasure. After many adventures, Jim and his friend defeats the pirates and manages to get the treasure and sail back to England. Now let's read the story. A captain came to Jim Hawkins' father's inn called Benbow Inn. He carried a chest with him. Chest means a huge box, a heavy box. He had an ugly scar on his face. That means he was not good looking. The captain was a man of few words. He requested Jim to look for one-legged sailor and alert him whenever he found him. Alert means make him cautious. Mr. Black Dog came to visit him one day. However, Captain did not like his visit. He fell ill soon after his visit. A blind visitor also came to meet him. The blind man gave the captain a note with a black spot and left. The captain became very anxious and died of a stroke. Anxious means hopeful also and afraid also. Jim told his mother about the chest the captain had kept in his room. She opened it. There was a sealed bundle of papers and a purse containing gold coins. Now here sealed means closed. Jim heard some footsteps. The blind man had brought some rough men along with him. Sensing trouble, sensing means realizing, Jim told that they should escape from the place. Jim hid his mom in a safe place and rushed to meet Dr. Livesey and Squire Trelawney. He gave the sealed bundles of papers to Dr. Livesey. Dr. Livesey opened the bundle and examined. Wow! It's a map showing the directions to find Captain Flint's treasure. Squire Trelawney said with excitement, "We must find it." Dr. Livesey said, "Those men must have come only for this map." They made preparations to leave from Bristol. Squire introduced Jim to Long John Silver. He was a one-legged sailor. A day later, they set sail towards the treasure island. One day, Jim overheard Long John Silver and Israel Hands, a crew member, conspiring against Squire Trelawney. Conspiring means plotting. They were pirates in the guise of crew members. Jim informed Square Trelawney of their plot. They reached the treasure island. Each one went in a different direction to explore the island. Explore means to examine. Jim bumped into an untidy fellow in the island. Untidy means not clean. That fellow introduced himself as Ben Gunn. He added that he was one of the crew members of Captain Flint's ship. He was abandoned in the treasure island 3 years ago. He disclosed the news that he knew where the treasure was hidden. Treasure means the wealth. Meanwhile, Dr. Livesey and his trusted crew members also reached the island. Jim told Square Trelawney about Ben Gunn. Square Trelawney shared the news with Jim that pirates had taken over the ship and he had to leave the ship for his own safety. Pirates mean the sea robbers. One morning, Jim boarded the ship stealthily. Stealthily means very secretly. He found 2 pirates. One was Israel Hands. Israel Hands was wounded, but his companion was dead. Wounded means hurt. Jim persuaded him to take the ship to the other side of the island. Persuaded means made him to agree. Then he killed him and returned to the island as if nothing had happened. He learned that pirates had taken the treasure map. The next morning, Dr. Livesey was informed of the safety of the ship. John Silver decided to look for the hidden treasure. Look for means search. The other members followed the points in the map, but the treasure was gone. Someone had come there before and removed the treasure. The pirates rebelled against John Silver. Rebelled means to go against. But Dr. Livesey rescued Jim and the other crew members. The treasure was in Ben Gunn's cave. Cave means a hole in a hill. The crew brought the treasure home. John Silver too got a few gold bars. They lived happily ever after. So that's all about the story. And the moral of the story is that if you are courageous, you can overcome all your misfortunes. Trouble comes to make us stronger, not to shatter us. So don't be afraid, be courageous, face all the challenges in life, never give up. You will always win, you will always be successful. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.